Today, on May 8th, let's take a refreshing trip down memory lane as we celebrate National Have a Coke Day. Join us as we uncover the story behind this iconic beverage, its impact on pop culture, and the incredible journey it has taken to become a symbol of unity and togetherness around the world. National Have a Coke Day pays tribute to the legendary Coca-Cola, a beverage that has been quenching our thirst and bringing people together for over a century. Born in Atlanta, Georgia in 1886, this fizzy concoction has become a global phenomenon, transcending borders and uniting people with its refreshing taste. The story of Coca-Cola began when pharmacist Dr. John S. Pemberton created a unique syrup, intending it to be a medicinal tonic. However, his bookkeeper, Frank M. Robinson, suggested mixing the syrup with carbonated water, and thus, the beloved Coca-Cola was born. Robinson also came up with the name and the distinctive cursive spirit that has since become an enduring symbol of the brand. Over the years, Coca-Cola has left its mark on popular culture through catchy jingles, memorable ad campaigns, and iconic collaborations. Who can forget the heartwarming 1971 Hilltop commercial where young people from around the globe gathered to sing, "I'd like to buy the world a Coke"?
Like to buy the world a home and furnish it with love. Grow apple trees and honey bees and snow white turtle doves.
Or the adorable Coca-Cola polar bears that have since become synonymous with the holiday season. Coca-Cola's influence on pop culture extends to innovative marketing strategies and collectible memorabilia, from vintage metal signs and glass bottles to limited edition cans and branded merchandise. Coca-Cola has created a universe of collectibles that fans cherish and display proudly. Coca-Cola has also been a pioneer in the beverage industry, introducing innovative flavors and variations like Diet Coke, Cherry Coke, and Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. These innovations have continued to spark interest and excitement among consumers, keeping the brand at the forefront of the market. National Have a Coke Day is a day to celebrate the simple joy and connection that Coca-Cola has brought to the people worldwide. So, grab a Coke, share it with a friend, and relish the moment as you take a sip of this iconic beverage, knowing that countless others are doing the same, united in the shared pleasure of this fizzy drink. As you raise your glass on this special day, remember the remarkable journey of Coca-Cola and how it has brought people together, transcending cultural differences and creating shared experiences that have left an indelible mark on our collective memories. Thank you for joining us on this refreshing journey through National Have a Coke Day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging stories. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time, cheers to all the happiness and connection that Coca-Cola has brought us all.